Hello, parents. Are you looking for ways to help your child actually enjoy learning? Today, I'm sharing 10 practical tips that will make your home a space where curiosity blooms and learning becomes fun. Tip number one, make learning fun. Turn mathematics to games. Let them play it as game. Turn reading into story time. If they see it as story, they will enjoy it better. And turn science to practical experience. As they are working and doing it, they are learning and it's fun. Tip number two, follow their curiosity. Those things that you know that they like, their interests, use it to be part of the learning. Tip number three, create rich learning environment. Fill your home with books, art, supplies, and encourage them to ask questions. Tip four, celebrate their efforts, not just the results. Say things like, I love how hard you have worked on that project. I love how much effort you put into your reading. You are so smart. I know you can do it. I know you can do better. That will encourage them to actually love learning. Be a role model. Let your child see you exploring things, asking questions, reading yourself so that they can just emulate and read like you. Tip 6, encourage questions. Instead of giving answers, always say, what do you think about this? Let's explore that. What do you think? What can you say about this? It will go a long way. Tip 7, avoid comparison. Don't compare your children to another. Support their unique way of learning. Help them. Let them build on their own. Tip 7, avoid comparison. Don't compare your children to others. Support their unique learning journey. Everybody has his or her way of learning, of reading. Support their own way, not comparing them with another person. Tip 8, make learning part of life. Anything you are doing, you are watching, you are cooking, you are doing anything, make learning part of it. Tip 8, make learning part of life. Count while you are cooking, read while you are cooking. When you are doing anything, just make sure there's a good part of learning there. Explore nature together. Tip 9, use tech wisely. Introduce fun educational apps, but balance it with offline play. Not every time system, phone, without playing. Balance it. 10, stay curious together. Visit places of interest together, museum, cinema, take a walk and observe the world around you. Helping your child to love learning is about connection, curiosity, and consistency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.